Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha, and in today's tutorial we're going to be using the Rua braids by Expression to do island twist. So we're going to be mixing these two colors to get this, which is the end result. I'm applying edge control right now, and the edge control I'm using is Kaima. I'm patting now. I'm making this fast because I believe we all know how to pat. So I'm going to be starting as knotless braids. You know how we do it normally, like the way we do knotless braids, so that's how I'm going to be doing it. I don't think I have to explain in depth like that. So I divided the third part of my braid to join the two parts to make a twist, and I'm twisting now. So just the way we add braiding hair to our braids, when we feel like we need to make it thicker, make it longer, that's how we're doing this as well. And adding braiding hair to your twist is easier than adding braiding hair to your braids, so I don't think you have a problem there. So I'm twisting the hair right now, and I'm going to leave the tips to coil them, because this island twist, it has to have a coils at the tips, except if you don't want your own to be like that. And I don't think it's going to be looking normal. It's not like braids. So we are inside right now. We were outside previously, but it has gotten dark, so we came inside. We have to use light now, and I think this is better. So I'm starting what I did previously. I have to do it again for you to get a clearer understanding. Remember the tips I left? I'm brushing them right now to make them smooth for coiling. Brush very well. So I'm going to be using bending rulers or rods to make the curves. I'll just twist them around the rod. There are many curves you can get with bending rulers, depends on how you wrap your braids around it. So I'm twisting around it this time around. So right now I've dipped the hair inside hot water after the whole process of coiling, and I've gone ahead to unravel. This is the end result after unraveling. So we're going to start attaching our coils to the body of our twist, and I'm going to show you briefly how I added the coils to the hair. Is this way. I'm going to crochet it first, then pass it through the twist. You will see right now what I'm talking about. So instead of you to be adding like small, you add this way. And too much of course on this island twist is it doesn't just give the vibe, it's not like braid. So this crochet method is better for you when you feel like, okay, my curls are getting old. You just cut them off and carry your twist. Just that this look is just something that it makes you to crave the hair, but you can carry it for like 2 weeks, cut off the curls and carry your hair. No waste of money. You get the point. So thank you for watching to the end of the tutorial. This is the finished look. Please, if you aren't yet a subscriber, subscribe to my YouTube channel, support my video, like my video, comment on this video, share this video, and please, thank you for watching.